Good morning class 10 students. In the previous class we had studied the value of some particular angles, okay, by geometrically we have proved. Now how to draw the table, okay, how to make the table. No need to memorize all the formula. So here is a trick how to know about the table, okay. So we know that how many angles we have studied. 0 degree, okay, then 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90. Okay, the value of these 5 we can solve in the previous class by geometrically. Now look, here is a trick. Look what to do. Just write here 0, 1, 2, 3 and first step. Now second step, divided each term by 4. Divided each term by 4. Okay. After that, just taking root. Just taking root. Okay. Once again, writing here 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then after divided 4 by each term and taking roots in each term. Now look what happened here. Sin theta. Look, sin theta, 0 by something equal to 0. It means sin 0 equal to 0. Now here 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. It means sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Now here 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. It means 1 by root 2. It means the value of sin 45 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now here root 3 by root 4 equal to 2. It means sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And this one 4 4 cancel. It means in this way easily we can calculate the value of 0 30 of sin. Look, sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 90 1. Okay. Now move to cos theta. Just writing the first sin theta reverse order. It means first we have to write 1, then root 3 by 2, then this is 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2 and 0. Understood? Once again, sin theta writing reverse form in the cos theta. It means first 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 2. Okay. Now we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So here is tan theta. Tan theta equal to 0 by 1. It means sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta 0 by 1 equal to 0. Okay. Again sin theta by cos theta 2 to cancel. It means tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Now this cancel. Tan 45 equal to 1. 2 to cancel. Sin theta by cos theta equal to this one root 3. And we know that 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined, or this is infinity, not defined and not defined. Okay. And now move to cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to, we know that 1 by sin theta. It means sin theta is 0. 0 by 1, it means this is 1 by 0. Now again 1 by 0 equal to infinity, that is not defined. It means this is infinity, not defined. Now here is 1 by 2, its reverse is 2, and here root 2, here 2 by root 3, and this one is 1. And now cosec theta, then sec theta. Sec theta equal to, we know that 1 by cos theta, 1 by 1 equal to 1. This is reverse 2 by root 3. this is root 2, this is 2, and this is, here is 0. 0, 0 means 0 by 1. It means this is 1 by 0 reverse. It means again infinity. It means this is again infinity. It means this is also not defined, and this is cot theta. Now cot theta equal to, we know that, sin theta by cos, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. It means 0, 0 by 1, 1 by 0 equal to again infinity here, not defined. Here is root 3, here is 1, here is 1 by root 3, here is infinity. Infinity means 1 by 0, 0 by 1 equal to again 0. It means this is, in this way we can draw the table of the some particular angles. Okay, now let's solve some questions. Now here we have seen the table. Now look here, question. The first question is here, taking theta equal to 30 degree. Taking theta equal to 30 degree, we have to verify the first question, sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. It means here sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. By using the value of theta, that is 30 degree, we have just verified. Since theta equal to how much? 30 degree. Theta is your 30 degree, then LHS is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. 2 theta means, now putting the value of theta, sin 2 into the theta value is 30. It means what is here? Sin 60 degree. And we know that sin 30 half, sin 60, root 3 by 2. This is LHS. Now move to RHS. RHS is 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. It means 2 into, what is the value of theta? Sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay. And now this is sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, cos 30, root 3 by 2, here is 2 to cancel. It means the value is here, root 3 by 2. Okay, it means now LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is root 3 by 2. RHS also hence verified. Now move to the second part. Here is LHS is what? Tan 2 theta. LHS is your tan 2 theta. It means tan 2 into, what is the value of theta? 30 degree. 2 into 30 is equal to tan 60 degree. Okay, and the value of tan 60 is root 3. The value of tan 60 is root 3. Now move to RHS. RHS equal to 2 tan. The value of theta is 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. 1 minus tan square 30 degree. And we know that tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. It means here this one is 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. It means 2 by root 3 into, this one is 3 by 2. 2 cancel. 3 should be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel is equal to root 3. Now LHS is also root 3. RHS is also root 3. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Now here is the second question. Look, in this question, if sin a plus b equal to 1, if sin a plus b equal to 1 and cos a minus b equal to root 3 by 2, we have to find the value of a and b. How can we find? Look, since given here sin a plus b equal to 1, okay, and here is sin, then what is the value in sin which is equal to 1? We know that sin 90 equal to 1. We know that sin 90 is equal to 1. It means, look here, what we have to do here, sin a plus b equal to, in place of 1 we can write sin 90 degree. We can write sin 90 degree. Now look, sin cancel, no need to cancel, only just write here a plus b is equal to now 90 degree. This is equation. Okay, now move to the second part, that is cos a minus b equal to how much? 3 by, and we know that cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. It means cos a minus b equal to cos 30 degree. Now cos cancel, it means a minus b equal to 30 degree. Okay, now equation 1 and 2, linear equation 2 variable, just adding 1 plus 2, it means a plus b equal to 90 degree, a minus b equal to 30 degree. Now solving, b cancel, 2a equal to 120 degree, then a equal to how much? 60 degree. Okay, now putting the value, putting a equal to 60 in an equation, in equation 1, then 60 plus b is equal to 90 degree, b equal to 90 minus 60 equal to 30. Hence a is your 60 and b is your 30. Okay, how to verify? Look, 60 plus 30, look, 60 plus 30, 90, and we know that sin 90 equal to 1. So our answer is correct. Okay, now move to the third question. Look here, in this question, if 6x equal to sec theta, if 6x equal to sec theta and 6 by x equal to tan theta. What is here? 6x equal to sec theta and 6 by x equal to tan theta. We have to find the value of 9 into x square minus 1 by x square. Okay, so now look here, we have three formulas: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now look here, here is sec and tan. Then use the second formula. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We know it very well. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So what is the value of sec theta? Here is 6x whole square, tan theta 6 by x whole square equals to 1. Now 6x, it means 36x square minus 36 by x square is equal to 1. Okay, just taking 36 LCM. X square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1. Now look here, but to find 9x square minus 1 by x square, we have to find here the value of 9x square minus 1 by x square. 36 should be written as 4 into 9 x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 9 4 36. Okay, so now here is 9 x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by 4. So the value of now 9 into x square minus 1 by x square equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so in this section we can